Welcome to the For Traders How-To series, where I will guide you through all of the available platforms. Today we will start with MetaTrader 5 or MT5 shortly, so let's get started. You can download MT5 straight from our dashboard. It works on Windows, Mac and also through a web browser, and there is a mobile app for both iOS and Android, so you can trade from any device anywhere. When you launch MT5 for the first time, you will be asked to log in into your trading account. First of all, you need to choose the right server. So if you've purchased one of our challenges, you will type FT Trading and choose our server. After that, you will choose the option Connect with an existing account, where you will enter your account credentials. You can find your account credentials in our dashboard under your account, or we've sent them to you by email when you made your purchase. To simply navigate in MT5, it's good to divide the screen into 4 parts. First part is Toolbox. You will use Toolbox to check your balance, your open positions and the history of your trades. You can also use the MT5 calendar, but I recommend using our calendar in the dashboard or following us on our socials, where we share daily news in a more user-friendly format. Second part is Toolbar. Let's start from the left. The very first option is Create a new chart, where you can choose from all available symbols. By clicking on any symbol, you will open a chart. We can skip some of the following options as they are not that important and you will most likely not use them. The next important option is New Order. You will use this to open new trades, but we will take a closer look at it in the next episode, along with the other options used for technical analysis or changing time frames. Third part is Market Watch. Under Market Watch, you will find all symbols. To make sure you can see everything, simply right-click and choose Show All. Market Watch is useful when you need to find details about any symbol. For example, if you right-click on EUR/USD and choose Specification, you can see details about swaps, swap rates, commissions and margin for that specific symbol. And the last part is Chart Window. This is where you will always see your open chart. If you have multiple charts open, you can switch between them simply by clicking on these tabs under the chart. In the next episode, we'll take a look at how to edit your chart and other chart settings, so see you there.